In feng shui aspect, the position of the stove is one of the important criteria to determine that the quality of the energy flow within the house. Because the kitchen is the place where to prepare the food and provides to family member. So when the stove placed in the wrong location, this will form the negative energy and this will affect health and well-being for the people who are staying in this house. Here are the examples. Beans on top of stove. The chi becomes suppressive and will form the negative energy. And this will affect the people who are staying in this house. They tend to be more easier to get worried, anxiety, and affected their well-being. This is another example, stove on island. In the modern world, it's quite common we can see this kind of design because it looks trendy and nice. But in feng shui aspect, this will expose the qi from the various angle and cause more sa qi, or sometimes we call it as a negative qi. And normally it will affect the health for the people who are staying in this house. If you want to learn more about feng shui and how you can use it to enhance your life and health, should you need a consultation, feel free to contact me via TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube. And don't forget to like and follow me for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.